I'm Robbie Cheadle from Robbie's Inspiration, and today I'm going to show you how to make South African Soetkoekies. The original recipe for these cookies is in Michael and my Soetkoekie book, Soetkoekie and the Fondant 5 story and cookbook. And I'm making a double mixture because it is Mother's Day tomorrow in South Africa, and we are going to box up some of these cookies as gifts for our mothers. So I've already measured out my plain white cake flour. I've used 12 cups and I've put it in this large container. As I said, it's a big mixture. So I'm pouring it into this large ceramic bowl. And then I'm going to add to that 6 cups of white sugar. And that's our 6 cups of sugar. And then to this, I'm going to add 680 grams of cubed butter. And I'm going to be mixing this in so that it becomes like fine crumbs, the mixture. So I add my cubed butter, and then with your fingertips, you're going to rub that butter into your sugar and flour mixture until the whole thing resembles a large pile of breadcrumbs. Alright, so we have managed to get our mixture into this lovely crumbly mixture, and it's the butter is all nicely rubbed into our flour and sugar. Now we're going to add our baking powder. We need 4 tablespoons. Each tablespoon is 15 milliliters. So we'll just pop that in. So our baking powder is now added. Give that a nice mix to get it all spread out throughout. And then we're going to start adding our spices. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of cloves. I just love the smell of cloves. And then I'm going to add 5 milliliters of nutmeg. This is ground nutmeg. Then we're going to add 5 milliliters of ginger. And lastly, 5 milliliters of cinnamon. There we go, all our spices are in. So we're going to add cream of tartar, and that's 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And that's all our dry ingredients, so we can give this a good mix. And then we're going to add our egg mixture. It's we'll be adding 6 eggs, lightly beat them, and add them into our mixture. Alright, so my eggs are beaten. Now what I'm going to do is make a well in my mixture. Pour the egg mixture in. And then I'm going to use my hands to mix it all together to start forming a dough. So now you can see it's starting to have a bit more moisture and take on a bit more of a form where it will combine. And the secret ingredient that we use in Soetkoekies is red wine. So I'm going to start by adding half a cup of red wine. If you don't drink and you don't want to use red wine, you can use red grape juice will work equally well. So we're going to add this red wine to our mixture. Gives it quite an interesting color. The wine generally all evaporates in the oven. I've already put my oven on and it's at 190 degrees, warming up. Okay, so you can see that my dough is looking far more formed. We still need a little bit more red wine or red grape juice. I'm adding approximately another half a cup, and then we're going to knead all of this in, and that will be our cookie dough. Alright, so now we have this lovely slightly reddish dough. It's all nicely mixed together and feels just like a proper dough. And now we're going to make our cookies. What I do is take a small lump, a bit smaller than a golf ball, roll it into a ball, and then just flatten it. And then you've got your cookies, and I put them on my prepared baking tray, which I've sprayed with Spray and Cook. And then these will go in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 190 degrees.